Okay, so who would take care of my kids if something happens to me?
That's a great question and a very important question. Any client or any person that has minor children need to make sure that they do have a will, number one, and within that will they designate who the guardian is to be. The guardian is the one that takes possession of the kids. The guardian is the one that controls where they go to school, where they live, all of their activities. You also need to pick who you want to take care of their finances, who you want to be in charge of the money to make sure that the kids are definitely well taken care of with what you leave them. But what's also important is we know your will only takes effect when you die. What happens if you're in a car accident? What happens if you are incapacitated to the point where you're not able to physically, take care of your kids? Well, you know what? You need what's called a declaration of guardian for your children. And basically what that states is if I'm incapacitated for any reason, short-term, long-term, it doesn't matter, but I'm still alive, you have a standalone document that designates who you want the guardian of your children to be, not only of their person, meaning where they go to school, where they live, and their medical decisions, but also over their estate. So whenever you go see your estate planning attorney, you need to make sure that you not only talk to them about your will, but you also talk to them about this declaration or designation of guardian for your children in the event of incapacity.
And what if you don't have this? Then what happens?
Ooh, if you don't have it, then the court gets involved. And the court gets involved, that means the court maintains what's called jurisdiction over the entire matter until the children reach the age of 18, which means you have to have an attorney involved until the kids are 18. And every single year you have to account to the court what all has been spent for the child, what's come in, what's gone out, why it's gone out. But even more importantly than that, you have to get the court to approve what you're spending for the child. Any decisions that need to be made on behalf of that child, the court needs to approve it and allow it. So you don't ever want that to be a case. You want to make sure that you have your will and you have this designation of guardian in place.
Last question, where can people get more information?
If you want more information, give us a call or go to our website at ashmorelaw.com.